everybody, my name is Huy. How do you feel today? Today I feel good. I feel great. I feel wonderful. Today I'm very happy to be talking to you about my homework. Okay, let's start. Please, please feel free to ask me. Just mate. E, give. I love to give her gift. It's very kind of you. Oh, oh, good. That book looks good. I took it from Luke. Ooh, school. Do you prefer school or the movies? School, you fool. Eh, eh, get. Let's get more pens. Which pens are best? Eh, eh, man. Hey man, I'm getting married. I'm so glad to hear that. That's it. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.